Hey everyone, and welcome to Kennards Hire and the world famous Bondi Beach. Over the last few days we've been setting up for Bowlarama, which is a skateboarding competition here based at Bondi. We've been erecting a few hundred metres of fencing, installing crowd control barriers, setting up electrical supplies to run all the operations of the event, delivering site sheds and much more. The event's going to happen over the Saturday and Sunday, and we've got professional skateboard riders such as Tony Hawk, and we've been having to engage and deal with a magnitude of stakeholders such as New South Wales Police, our client, the local councils here, and making sure that we're fulfilling and meeting all the requirements for setup, mobilisation, and most importantly as well, the demobilisation of the event. What we're initially going to do is set up some of the compounds and protect some of the grass areas. As you can see, we've got track mats down in critical locations, not to damage the turf. Followed by our generator will come in, then we'll start erecting fencing to close out the compound for the event. The generator's just arrived. We've had to shut down a lane of traffic just so we can supply power to all the events, the sponsors of the event, and any other power requirements they may need. So we're using one generator, super silent, so it's actually very, very quiet because of all the houses and residential. It's just another one of our capabilities where we can cater to specific requirements. So here it is, it's finally been dropped off in place, and we'll make the final adjustments and tweaks. So as you can see, the scale and scope of the project is no challenge for Kennards Hire. We're here to make your job easy. Whether it's the beach or the bush, we can handle any project of any size, and we're only a phone call away.